Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I'm here with a wonderful key of health which will help you unlock multiple doors of wellness. We're talking about a natural antibiotic, a great antioxidant, lung cleanser, and so much more. Oregano oil. Oregano is delicious and healthy, but oregano oil is even more potent. I think it should be a must in every household. There is so much you can do with the simple oil, and if you use it correctly and on time, it can prevent many health conditions from escalating and becoming more complex. I want to keep it short and sweet. I will talk to you about the benefits of oregano oil first and then how to use it for different conditions. So please stick with me till the end. Oregano is a flowering plant from the same family as mint. It is often used as an herb to flavor food. I'm sure you know it from Italian cuisine. Oregano oil is available in two forms: oregano essential oil and oregano oil extract. Oregano essential oil should be mixed with a carrier oil and applied topically or used for steaming, but it should not be consumed orally. Oregano oil extract, on the other hand, is widely available as a supplement and can often be found in pill or capsule form. So, the distinction between essential oil and oregano oil extract is important when it comes to using it and using it safely. Oregano oil is a great antibiotic. It is almost as effective as pharmaceutical antibiotics against common bacteria. In fact, research has shown that oregano oil may be effective against some potentially antibiotic resistant bacteria, especially those that cause urinary and respiratory tract infections. Oregano oil also helps lower cholesterol. It is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are everywhere, and they are a natural product of metabolism. Free radical damage plays a role in aging and the development of some diseases such as cancer and heart diseases. So, oregano oil is a great preventive treatment, especially if you are exposed to regular environmental toxins like cigarette smoke and air pollutants. We know blueberries and apples have great antioxidant properties. Gram per gram, oregano has 42 times the antioxidant level of apples and 4 times that of blueberries. So, oregano really takes the trophy when it comes to powerful antioxidants. And this antioxidant content is even more concentrated in oregano oil. This makes oregano oil one of the most effective anti-cancerous products. Oregano essential oil has been found to be effective against different types of candida, especially those that cause infections in the mouth and vagina. In fact, it was more effective than any other essential oil when researched. High levels of candida have also been associated with some gut conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. So, if you are struggling with those conditions, you should consider using oregano oil. And this brings me to my next point. Oregano oil benefits gut in a number of ways. Gut symptoms like diarrhea, pain, and bloating are common and can be caused by gut parasites. Oregano oil is great in treating parasites and those related conditions. Oregano may also help protect against another common gut complaint known as leaky gut syndrome. This happens when the gut wall becomes damaged, allowing bacteria and toxins to pass into the bloodstream. We know what inflammation can do to the body. It is behind a number of health conditions. Oregano oil, especially when it is used alongside thyme oil, can really reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the most common reason behind pain in the body as well. Oregano oil has amazing pain relieving properties. I will share with you in a few moments how to use oregano for various purposes. Now, this might come as a surprise, but oregano oil is a great weight loss aid as well. It helps reduce weight and body fat content, so people who have hard time shedding the extra pounds should definitely look into oregano oil. It also helps with digestion by increasing bile flow. It is great for common cold and flu and really helps clean out the lungs from mucus. So it is a great oil to have at home, especially if you are asthmatic and have children at home. It also has antihistamine properties, which makes it great for people who have allergies. If you develop seasonal allergies, start taking oregano oil a month before the onset of allergy season, and you will see significant improvement. It reduces swelling, rashes, sneezing, and other allergy-related symptoms. It is beneficial for women who have irregular periods since it helps stimulate menstrual flow. Oregano oil also relieves pain during the periods. Just add 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil in chamomile tea and drink it twice a day. Now let's talk about how to use it. Oregano oil extract is widely available in capsule and tablet form. It can be bought from most health food shops or online. Because the strength of oregano supplements vary, it is important to read the directions on the individual packet for instructions on how to use the product. And it is always better to work with a natural healthcare provider who can recommend the right dosage for you. Oregano essential oil is also available. Like I mentioned earlier, essential oil should not be taken orally. You can add a few drops to a steam diffuser or a bowl of hot water and use it for steam therapy, or apply it to your skin after adding it to a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil or almond oil. You can add 1 teaspoon, which is approximately 5 milliliter of olive oil or any other carrier oil, to per drop of oregano essential oil, and apply directly to the skin on affected areas, especially the area of inflammation and pain. This is it for me for this video today. I hope you found it beneficial. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns or want me to cover any topic, please feel free to reach out to me. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.